Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fit as a fiddle and are being safe and healthy. So, as you can see, this is your English period. This is your English period. First of all, we are going to revise the capital alphabet which we have done previously. So, first of all, let's see the date. Today, the date is 20 April. We write 4 for April and year 2021. So the date is 20 April 2021. Then we write classwork for CW. Alright, but you are not supposed to write A to Z in your notebook. Today we are going to learn something new. We are just revising the capital alphabet which we have done before. So, what is this? Which letter is this? This is A. Ant. Ant. B. Box. Box. C. Cat. Cat. D. Dog. Dog. E. Elephant. Elephant. F. For fish. For fish. G. Grapes. Grapes. H. Horse. Horse. Insect. Insect. J. Joker. Joker. K. Kite. Kite. L. Lemon. Lemon. M. Monkey. Monkey. N. Nose. Nose. O. Orange. Orange. P. Parrot. Parrot. Q. Quail. Quail is a bird, just like koel in Hindi. Quail is also a bird. R. Rabbit. Rabbit. S. Sun. Sunflower. T. Tomato. Tomato. U. Umbrella. Umbrella. V. Van. Van. W. Watch. Watch. X. X-ray. X-ray. Y. Yacht. Yacht. Z. Zebra. Zebra. So students, now we have revised the capital alphabet and now we are going to start something new, that is the cursive alphabet. Today we are going to do cursive alphabet. Let's start and do our cursive alphabet. Now let's write the date. As I have told you before, the date is 20 April 2021 and then we are going to write class work. Today we are going to learn 3 new letters in cursive handwriting. So first of all we are going to revise letter A. So let's see how letter A is made. Ask your mama and papa to give you 2 dots like this to make letter A. Alright, now I'm going to join these 2 dots, go forward, come back, make a circle and tail. This is letter A. A ant. A ant. Let's see it again. Ask your mama and papa to give you two dots like this. Join the dots. Go forward. Go back. Make a circle and tail. This is letter A. Which letter is this? Letter A. One more time. Ask your mama and papa for two dots like this. Join the dots. Go forward. Go back. Make a circle and a tail. So which letter is this? Letter A. A apple. Apple. Now next we are going to learn today letter B. So these two dots are for letter B. Ask your parents who is helping you to do the homework to give you two dots like this. Join the dots, make a curve from back, come down, go up and loop. This is letter B. B basketball. B basketball. Again we have two dots. Join the dot, go back, come down, go up and loop. This is letter B. This is letter B. One last time. We have these two dots. Now join the dots like this. Come down from the back, go up and loop. This is letter B. This is letter B. B badminton. Badminton is a sport and we should always play sport and games so that we can be healthy. And next we are going to do and know about letter C. So as we have taken dot for letter A, same is for letter C. Two dots. Join the dot, go forward, go back and make a curve. C is very easy. This is letter C. C car. C car. Again, join the dots, go forward, go back and curve. Letter C. One more time. Join the dots, go forward, go back and curve. Letter C. So students, as you can see, we have done today letter A, B and C. Now you have to write very beautifully letter A, B and C in your notebooks, just like I have given in the PDF. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.